Hi engineers, welcome to eConcepts. Today, I will let you know the top 5 websites that mechanical engineers should visit regularly to increase their knowledge and excel in their careers. At number 1 comes the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. ASME is a professional organization that provides a wealth of resources for mechanical engineers. Here is what ASME offers. Mechanical engineers gain access to industry-leading codes, networking opportunities, professional development courses, and the chance to contribute expertise through ASME. Regularly visiting ASME's website empowers engineers to stay informed, enhance their skills, and shape the industry's future. At number 2 comes the website engineering.com. It is a popular website that covers a wide range of engineering disciplines, including mechanical engineering. Here is what this website offers. Engineering.com is the go-to hub for engineers, offering comprehensive news, articles, resources, and connections to industry experts, career resources, forums, and communities, providing valuable insights into emerging technologies and industry trends. At number 3 comes the website GrabCAD, which is a collaborative community platform for engineers and designers. GrabCAD offers engineers a wealth of benefits, including access to a library of free CAD models to save design time, opportunities to collaborate with fellow engineers and showcase their work, inspiration from innovative design solutions, and the ability to stay updated on engineering trends, making it the go-to platform for engineers seeking resources and community interaction. At number 4 comes the website The Engineering Toolbox, which is a one-stop shop for essential engineering calculations, and Data Engineering Toolbox is a comprehensive resource for mechanical engineers, offering a wide range of topics and calculators for convenient calculations. It saves time by providing readily available data, formulas, and reference materials. Additionally, it enables engineers to expand their knowledge base through in-depth content and discussions on mechanical engineering subjects. In the last, we have Website Machine Design, which is a digital publication that focuses on the practical application of mechanical engineering principles. Machine design articles provide valuable insights into mechanical product design and systems engineering, including control systems and automation. They explore advancements in materials and manufacturing processes. Additionally, the publication offers information on engineering salaries, career paths, and job market trends, aiding individuals in making informed decisions for their future. That's all from my side. I hope you have liked the video. I request you to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.